Ever wondered about the different cuts of pork and their uses? Well, it's time to embark on a mouth-watering journey through the world of pork, where each cut has its unique characteristics and culinary applications. First up, we have pork chops. These succulent cuts come from the loin portion and can be either bone-in or boneless. Their thickness makes them ideal for grilling, pan-frying, or roasting. Next is the pork tenderloin. This elongated, lean cut hails from the loin area as well. Known for its tenderness, it's often the star of the show in roasted or grilled dishes. Then we have the pork shoulder, also known as pork butt. This larger, tougher cut comes from the upper shoulder area. It's the go-to choice for slow cooking, roasting, or creating mouth-watering pulled pork. For the rib enthusiasts, there are several types of pork ribs to choose from: spare ribs, baby back ribs, and St. Louis. Style ribs are all tender and flavorful cuts. Their versatility allows for grilling, smoking, or slow roasting. Now let's delve into the rich world of pork belly. This cut comes from the underside of the pig, boasting a high-fat content and full-bodied flavor. It's the raw material for bacon and the star ingredient in dishes like braised pork belly or crispy pork belly. The pork loin is another cut to consider. Running along the back of the pig, this lean and tender cut can be roasted whole or cut into chops. The pork sirloin, located in the hip area, is another lean cut. It's often used for roasts or diced for stir-fries, making it a versatile choice for many dishes. On to pork ham. Coming from the back leg of the pig, it can be cooked as a whole ham or sliced into ham steaks. Often cured or smoked, it adds a hearty flavor to many dishes. And finally, we have ground pork. Minced or ground, this cut is a staple in dishes like meatballs, sausages, dumplings, or as a base for ground meat recipes. So there you have it, a tour through the world of pork cuts. From chops to tenderloin, shoulder to ribs, belly to loin, sirloin to ham, and ground pork, each cut has its own unique characteristics and uses. Whether you're grilling, roasting, slow cooking, or frying, there's a cut of pork that's perfect for your culinary adventure. Enjoy the journey and savor the flavors each cut of pork brings to the table.